Google Pixel 6.
Oh, right. I was thinking of an iPhone.
Oh, nah. I'm not allowed an iPhone in the house. Jade doesn't like them. That's good there, Tina. Well done. Good. Shoulders back and just... Yeah, we're going to go underneath. That's it. Just so your feet position might be a little bit different for you. So it just depends on what feels most comfortable. And that looks a bit high up in the neck there, but we just want to try and maybe knock it down a little bit more to the top of the back. Yeah, and then just drop into the back of the legs. Yeah, that looks all right. Everyone's got their own little position of where they want them. Some people feel more comfortable with the legs wider. Yeah, and then just shuffling around like that. That's all right, just keeping the thing back. Lovely. And you just that's it, sitting down at the back of the legs. Good, count 10 of them. Nice. Keeping the feet flat. Yeah, that's not too bad. Can you feel that in your legs as well?
Yeah.
Go on, do a couple more then. So we're going to do the same as before. So make sure we're standing up nice and tall there first. Lovely. Get your feet sorted. That's a better position on the back there. I'd say does that feel better on your back? Good. We're sitting in at the back of the legs. Get as low as you can. Push back up. Really focus. Okay, ready, Lisa? Bring it over the top of the chest. Lock out. Good. Down and then push back up. Nice. Well done. Take your time. Keep it steady. Push hard. That's it. Loads of power on the wheel. Push hard. Good. Well